There goes the ice cream truck. It's amazing. I like that song. It's been going on since I was a kid. I don't know if it's the same truck or what, but I know one thing, it's the same music. I like that theme song. That's why I recorded it passing through, just in case I miss it every other Saturday. Of course, that's their favorite day to sell ice cream, and Sundays too. That ain't all they sell. They sell other frozen treats like popsicles, and I don't know the rest of the gig, but they sells it, and it's all cold treats, thanks to them. Yeah, and it's so tasty too. I've had a few so far in my past, and I'm gonna get some more in the future. Just the same. Haha.